Hello everyone, this video is about custom hooks, how to create custom hooks. Let's first of all define what is custom hooks. The custom hooks are basically a reusable functions. Reusable function. In simple words, we can see that custom hooks are your own hooks that you create for your own use, and you can use them multiple times in your project. For example, I will explain it to you. This is an example. Okay, we have pitched the records. See, these are the records which we have pitched from this API JSON placeholder, and we used this logic. Okay, we pitch the data using this use effect hook, and then we store that in this state variable. So for example, we want to pitch data in 3, 4, even 10 components. We want to use the API and pitch records from that. So instead of implementing this in every component, we want to create our own hook, custom hook, and we use that. Okay, we just implement that once but use it multiple times. So for that, let's come here and we will just create a new folder. For example, the name of that is custom hooks, and inside it I will create a folder by the name of, for example, use page.js. This is our custom hook, so let's import it. Yeah, so now we will implement that logic here instead of that. Okay, let's cut this logic, just cut it and just paste it here. After pasting it, let's import use effect and use a state hook. After importing them, so now we will just return this users. Here instead of that we will return user, and one thing else that we will just remove this URL because we will pass URL from every component as a parameter. So let's name it URL, and we will paste it here in the pitch. Okay, instead of here we will just paste that here URL. So now let's come here back to our app.js. We will just call our custom hooks now here. Const, we will store the data in user is equal to use fetch, which is our custom hooks that has imported by defaults, and we will just pass our URL here. So what is our URL? So let's copy our URL from this route, copy this and just come here and paste that here. So let's save it, and now let's look at that. Let's come here, we didn't get the records, so we should use users.map. Okay, everything is okay, and we use this use pitch, and let's we use pitch, we pass URL here. Yeah, everything is okay. So let's log back. Yeah, I think the internet was that was internet problem, so let's refresh it again. So it was all about our custom hooks. Okay, so we created a custom hooks and we can use it multiple times. For example, in 10, 12, 13, how many components you want to fetch data, just pass the URL, so it will fetch the records and you will get that in that component. So it was all about custom hooks. So you can use in different ways, just use your logic to implement custom hooks. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.